everyone, this is Cyndy. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. If you're in the UK, do you enjoy the heat wave? I'm really boiling sitting in my closet and it just feels like super hot. And so today I'm going to show you a new bag that I would like to introduce it to you because I can't rave about it enough. So sit tight. I hope you're excited as of me and to meet my new bag. If you're new to my channel, I'm welcome, and I'm Cyndy. I post fashion related videos weekly and PDs almost daily. I love bags, shoes and jewelry, all fashion related topics, and I do very honest bag reviews and shoes reviews. So if this is something for you, please subscribe so you won't miss any of my new videos. The brand is called Michino Paris. It's a French-based brand and it's owned by its designer Yasu Michino. He's Japanese. He studied in America and he worked in Paris for big brands such as Givenchy, Yves Saint Laurent and Balenciaga, a few to name. So in 2014, he set up his own bag brand. Since then, he has been producing the best quality bag that you could find in the market with that price point that he charges. It's just something that I came across last year on Instagram, and one day I was just browsing and one of his posts popped up on my feed and I thought, oh, this bag looks really well made. Even you could tell through the photo or through the video. So I followed him and followed the Michino Paris bag account, and so I've been studying it and see what it's really all about. The more I look into it, the more I'm surprised that how well made bags this brand offers. So I recently came across a message on their Instagram account again. It's saying that he's doing a pop-up shop in London. So I just straight away I signed up. Definitely I want to be there because I really want to feel their bags, because they only have an online presence at the moment. They do not have a physical boutique in Paris. They do have a showroom, but it's by appointment only. You have to contact them and make appointment and go into their showroom to see the bags. And so on the day when I showed up at the pop-up store in central London at the Editions Hotel, and I was just in awe with the quality of the bag and the warmth and the genuinity from Yasu Michino-san, and he's such a lovely guy and very warm and genuine. He has a true passion about the bags that he produces, and he just such a lovely guy. He's so charming and very genuine, and he made me feel so welcomed. They just have such a genuine love about the bags that he designed and he produces. Let me talk you through about all the other things, and you can look up Yasu Michino-san on their website. I'm going to post a link in the description box so you can have a look and what his story, Yasu Michino-san's career, and it's very interesting. He has such a rich background and an experience in the fashion industry. You can tell because the bag that I've bought and the bags that I haven't bought, they're all just I can't really even pick something that it doesn't really catches my fancy. It just the attention to details, the quality, it just so great. So you can see even the packaging, it suits my taste, and black with white bag and black fonts like Michino Paris, that's the brand. And it's a dust bag and it's Michino Paris on it. And the bag that I've got is a Boston bag, and it's called Boston Tuileries PM size. The color of this is called biscotto, so basically it's a biscuit color, and it's slightly a bit lighter with tan color. You can see this is a Loewe foam pouch. You can see this is slightly yellowier than the foam pouch, like a proper tanned color, and you can see there's some color difference, but I quite like this is slightly lighter, which is quite nice. And so this is a Boston bag that reminiscing a style maybe some of you are quite familiar to, is the Hermes Plume And I love this Boston bag so much because I've bought quite a few East-West Boston bags since winter, since the spring. And but I looked on the website, and then this is the bag that I really love. On the website, they have 4 models at the moment. They have this one, they have black one, they have a white one, and so it's just so beautifully made. I'm not sure whether you can see that the leather is grind calf skin leather, and it is the Taurillon leather. All the leather is being from the very famous tannery called Remy Cariat, which is one of the only independent tanneries that's still supplying Hermes, but not owned by Hermes, because Hermes over the years they bought so many tanneries so they can own all the leathers, but this one is still independent. Remy Cariat, they established this since 1927, if I remember it correctly, so it's almost 100 years old, so I have rich full of history. And the grind leather is a Taurillon, so it's sort of the Hermes leather, so it's a larger grind, slightly larger than the Togo grain. And you can see that the bag has all the way the piping, and it's very a soft structured bag, and with just like a tag holding the back straps together, and which is a lovely feature. And it has one zip but with 2 pullers, and the puller are made from the same colored leather. And on the silver hardware is Michino. All the hardwares are silver, and on the bottom there are 4 foot studs. You can see I always love a rate of foot studs for the bag, and there are 4 of them, and they have a M embossed on it. I'm not sure whether you can see. It symbolizes Michino, the brand. So attention to detail is just like superb. I compare the hardware with my Hermes like hardware. The shyness and the texture, it's just very similar. I could say the same. They're just really beautiful. And it's just a standard Boston bag. You can see, and the width is 28 centimeters, and the height is 18 centimeters, and the width is 7.5 centimeters. It feels very light. I'm going to put a weight on the screen so you can see. It's such a beautiful light bag, and that can hold quite a lot of things. The handle, the drop is about 24 centimeters, even though I have really chunky arms, and you can see it just goes really well under my arm. It sits there beautifully. There's no struggleness, there's no raising up too high, but it's still, there's about a good 5 centimeter clearance because I have really chunky upper arms and shoulder. But this sits up under my arm beautifully, or I can just hold it like a handbag. And on the inside is in a different color, so it's like the Verso style, 2 different colors. And on the inside you can see there's silver again, embossed silver like stamp, Michino Paris. On the inside there's a pocket there, and then the inside of the lining is made with goat skin, so it's almost like the Hermes Mysore, but I'm not sure what exactly the name of the grain is. Yasu-san did tell me at the pub, but I couldn't remember it. So you can see just one big compartment and all the way lined with goat skin. Obviously the Taurillon is a calf skin, but it's super light, very supple, but the structure of the bag is held by the piping. You can see the piping is really nice, and the stitching, I mean some of them they must be finished with hand, and some of them might be sewn, but with how much they charge for the bag, I don't really expect the whole bag is being sewn by hand, 1 stitch per stitch, but I don't really mind if it's sewn. But this bag is just unbelievable. If I said this incorrectly, if the whole bag is sewn by hand, and someone can correct me in the comments box. So there isn't really that much other details to show it to you. You can see it speaks itself. It's such a great looking bag, and you must go to feel it yourself. If you ever come across that pop-up store, you'll be super surprised how well made this bag are. And this bag is retails at £1,190, and they do have a euro price, and you just select your own region and then whatever the nearest to you. And then, so where can you get these bags? This bag, I bought this at the pop-up because they only have an online presence, this one. Otherwise, I have to wait maybe for a week or 2 weeks for them to make it and then send it to me. But as this was, I'm pretty happy. This is the color I wanted, and then therefore I just picked it up from the pop-up store in London. And also, if you buy a bag from the pop-up store, they usually give you a free gift, such as this. This is like a bag aroma, little bag charm. So on the inside of this, there's a little tag thingy, and you can spray your favorite perfume and then leave it on and then put it back in there and then hang it onto your bag, so you can always carry your favorite smell with you anywhere you go. And because it's being protected by this leather pouch, and so the perfume won't rubbing onto your bag, so therefore you don't need to worry. If you don't really want to put any perfume on that white cloth disc in the inside, and then you just basically hang it as a bag charm. You can see that this is bag aroma Michino London, and this is in the tube color, and this is also the Taurillon leather, so calf leather, and they're just like so attention to detail. It's just like impeccable, and definitely the brand, the quality, and everything, the aesthetic is reflected by Yasu Michino-san's personal taste. He's just beautifully dressed, and his personality is so warm, so genuine. I couldn't rave about him as a person, because I always believe that if the designer and the staff, they're all very happy when they produce something, and that happiness pass it on to the customer, and when you carry it, you feel happy, you feel proud, you feel the bag is just like it carries so many happiness of your life, because we always say that, oh, we do carry our life in our bag. So it's that exactly it is, because when the bag is come from a happy place, and life genuinely will be happier, and that's what I believe. And so if you do buy from the online shop, you might have to wait for a while, because sometimes things is a pre-order, and or if you see something at the pop-up, if you have a chance to, and then just pick it up from the pop-up. So it's going to be like two options. Or you go to visiting their Paris showroom, and you can probably pick up a bag from their showroom. So that's all the options on where to find these bags. And next, let me show you what can be fitted into this lovely bag. So here is the bag, and let me just show you what I can put into this bag. I have this bag insert for my Hermes Kelly 25. This is from King of Bags, and this is such a lovely, beautiful satin made bag organizer. So I'm just going to put all of this in there as base, and then you can see that it fits quite well on the bottom. And then if I put my little vlog camera in there, and that goes in quite well. And then on my Louis Vuitton pencil case, I go in there, and the sunglasses pouch go in there. So you can see that's a lot of things are in there. Or maybe I can swap this with bottle of water, because it's too hot to do these days, and it's always essential to carry a bottle of water with you when you're out about. So I'm just going to put that water in there. You can see this is a 500 ml, just water. You can see it goes in there, and then I zip up. You see it doesn't really alter the shape of the bag. The bottom is not collapsing, which is a very good indication of the bag that is being really well structured, because sometimes this bag now is very heavy, especially when I added that bottle of water. And if it's not well structured bag, the bottom would collapse. But this, look, I'm feeling this is about 2.5 kilos probably, and this, you can tell, not collapsing at all. Its shape is even made it more beautiful when it's filled with things and the essentials. So it's just really beautiful. And so all these bags, they're just so well made. If I'm honest, I would get probably another one maybe when the weather is a bit cooler, and so they have so many different models. Do have a look on their website. They're just all super well made. The attention to detail, I keep saying about this, is just impeccable. and I'm such a bag lover, and when I see a really well made bag with a good price point, that ratio is like, I would say it's super good value for money. For that price, over £1,000 and £1,300, there's no way you can get quality bag like this or from Michino bags. It just so great, well made, good material, Hermes quality leather, and the craftsmanship of Italian. I did ask them when I was there that I said, this is sort of like semi-finished somewhere else and just finished in Italy. He said no, it's all finished off from the beginning to the end in Italy. So he provides the design, the Remy Cariat provides the Taurillon leather. They have some Italian tanneries providing the smooth leather, and then there will be all their bags will be made in the Italian workshop. So it's just so beautiful, and I highly recommend, and please have a look on their website. And by the way, this video is not advertising. This is something that I purchased with my own money. It's just because it's so good, I would like to introduce it to you, and so you can trust me on this, because the bag is not free and it's not gifted or not affiliated. If you buy anything from their website, even though I link the items, I link their website, I don't get any commissions. You can trust me on this. And I hope you enjoyed today's video with me introducing Michino Paris bag to you, and you like my new purchase of this beautiful Boston Tuileries bag in biscotto and biscuit color, and it's free bag charm, or you can choose free twillies if you go to their pop-up shop. And I'm just so in love with my new bag. You can see that I've already used this last week, and I took some OOTD and I'm going to attach it over here. And I hope you like my new bag, enjoyed this review and unboxing video. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.